So students, in this question, now we are having some 10-year questions of budget topic. So look in this question, the question says from the following data, government budget find out revenue deficit, fiscal deficit, primary deficit. So you need to calculate revenue deficit, fiscal deficit and primary deficit. Datas are given 3 and 3 6 datas have been given. So I'm giving you some time to solve this one. Students, those who are doing this later at your home, please pause your screen and try to solve this one. You have 2 minutes to solve this one. So students, look how this question can be solved. So first of all, as you can see, you are asked to calculate revenue deficit. So first one, revenue deficit. For this, I told you formula. Revenue deficit is revenue expenditure minus revenue receipt. And revenue receipt, all you know that the receipt that neither increase liability nor decrease assets. So revenue expenditure is given as 80, and revenue receipt directly given nahi hai, so you need to add is two components, tax receipts plus non tax receipts. So tax and non tax receipt are revenue receipt. So tax receipt means tax revenue 47 plus non tax revenue 10. So now 80 minus 57, it's a 23. This is your revenue deficit. Now fiscal deficit. And fiscal deficit, I told you that fiscal deficit is always be equals to borrowing. So borrowing is given as 32. So answer will be 32. Then primary deficit. Third one is primary deficit. For this, formula is fiscal deficit minus interest payment. Interest payment. So 32 minus 20, final answer is 12. Now all the answers, look carefully, all the answers are in rupees करोड़ अरब. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, इसको समझना कि रुपीज अरब. तो यू हैव टू मेंशन इट इज रुपीज अरब. जनरली बच्चे करोड़ करोड़ लिखते हैं, उनकी हैबिट हो जाती है, तो रीड केयरफुली कि डाटा किस फॉर्म में गिवन है, तो ये आपको मेंशन करना है. दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. Now I am giving you one more question. Now look at this question again. The question says need to calculate all these same: revenue deficit, fiscal deficit and primary deficit. These are the values. So try to solve this one. Those who are doing later on, please pause your screen and try to solve this one, because after a while you will have the solution for this question. So look students, this is the solution for this question. As you can see, the first one will not have any problem to every students, because this is a very simple one. As look at this, that you have been revenue deficit given to calculate, and revenue expenditure is given directly as 700, and revenue receipt direct tax plus non-tax receipt, direct tax, indirect tax and non-tax. So these are all revenue receipts. So revenue receipt will be 100 plus 300 plus 100, because revenue receipt, I have told you that neither increase liability nor decrease asset. So direct tax will not increase any liability, indirect tax will not increase, and non-tax also. So sum of all these will be revenue receipt. Final answer is 200 Arab. This is the first one. No one will have any problem. Now the fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit can be calculated in two different form. Look at this. The first one formula, you know that fiscal deficit equals to total expenditure. Total expenditure, again revenue expenditure plus capital expenditure, minus revenue receipts and minus capital receipts net of borrowing and other liabilities. So your answer is 300. So this is the one. And another one, you can also solve this question. So total expenditure minus revenue receipts minus recovery of loan. So these are the two formulas that can be used to calculate fiscal deficit. And primary deficit, again fiscal deficit minus interest payment. So answer is 50. So this is a solution for this question. You can take screenshot for the reference.
सर न्यू क्वेश्चन आ गया.
This is the question, you have to find it. Fiscal deficit and primary deficit from the following. So read carefully and try to solve this one. Again, I would like to say those students who are doing this later on, please pause your screen and try to solve by your own. After a while, you will have your solution for this question. So look students, this is the solution for this question. Hope you have got correct with this one. So what you need, so fiscal deficit, as you know that it is always equals to borrowing. So first answer is 15,000 without no doubt. Now the primary deficit. So primary deficit, you know, formula is fiscal deficit minus interest payment. And what is fiscal deficit? Interest payment. So here interest payment is 25% of revenue deficit. That means you need to calculate revenue deficit. So revenue deficit is revenue expenditure minus revenue receipt. So 70,000 minus 50,000, that's it, 20,000. Now 5% of 20,000. So 25% of 20, because interest payment is 25% of revenue deficit. So of is 20,000 ka 25%. So 20,000 ka 25% will be 5,000. So that means interest payment is 5,000. So therefore, primary deficit equals to 15,000 minus 5,000, that is 10,000. This is a solution for this question. Please take the screenshot for the reference. If you have any doubt, you can ask.